The new induction cooktops can boil water 4 times faster than gas, and in this video, we'll show you the 3 fastest induction cooktops for 2026, what makes each one different, and which one's the best fit for how you actually cook and your budget. Let's get started. Here's the baseline. What a standard 36-inch induction cooktop can do. Most give you a 3700 watt burner and 2 bridge elements. That's already faster than the most powerful gas burner you can buy. But the most powerful cooktop on this list is in a different class. It has a 7,000 watt element. In our test, it boiled a gallon of water in 3 minutes and 30 seconds. A 23,000 BTU gas burner took 13 minutes and 30 seconds to reach a rolling boil. We had to shut the induction cooktop off before it boiled over. The gas burner was just a rolling boil. So if you're cooking more, this cooktop will save you even more time. Now let's look at the top 3. Fisher Paykel 36-inch induction cooktop. This cooktop gives you a 5,500 watt power burner, about 40% more than a standard induction element. It means serious speed when you're boiling, stirring, and cooking in big batches. It's also one of the cleanest looking cooktops you'll find. The power burner sits on the left, not in the middle like most brands, with bridge elements across the middle and right. If you're building a modern kitchen and want something fast that looks the part, Fisher Paykel is worth a look. It's on the expensive side at $34.99, but the next cooktop will give you even more power at a less expensive price. LG Studio 36-inch induction. If you want power at a lower price, LG Studio is the one to consider. At $26.99, it still delivers a 6,000 watt center burner, even hotter than Fisher Paykel, and about 60% more power than a standard induction element. That means faster boils and quicker heat when you need it most. The controls are clean and easy to use with an LCD built right into the glass top. That's rare under $3,000. You're getting serious power at a smart price without stretching into ultra premium territory. Before we get to the most powerful induction cooktop you can buy, just know this. We have induction live in all 6 of our stores. You can see it, try it, and get a real feel for how it works, not just watch it on video. Now let's get to the fastest induction cooktop on the market. SKS 36-inch induction cooktop. This is the most powerful cooktop, gas or induction, you can put in a residential kitchen. The center burner hits 7,000 watts on boost. That's nearly double the power of a standard induction burner. You also get 2 3,700 watt burners and full bridging on both sides, perfect for long pans or griddles. One standout feature, SKS lets you test your cookware for compatibility. Just tap settings, hit 9, and press the orange button. It tells you what percentage of your pan is magnetic. Over 70 to 80% of your pans will work on an induction top. It's fast, smart, and at $44.99, it's the most expensive cooktop on this list, but also the fastest and most versatile. So now you've seen what the fastest induction cooktops can do, and how much more power you get when you move beyond the standard. The question is how much speed you need and how much you want to spend to get it. If you're thinking about induction, come see it live. We demo it every day in all our stores with working models on display. You'll know in 5 minutes whether it's right for you. If this video helped, hit subscribe. It tells us to keep making honest, useful videos for you.